Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's MRCs and today we shall be looking at a continuation of our training needs analysis. So today's video we shall just be looking at calculating the training hours, the total training hours. Now this is the duration. Then we shall also have this. So we need to know how many hours so far does each training take. So we can start by, we can retain this color, but we can make our text, the text will be white. We can use white. It's more like the font. We can use white. Okay, we can start by we can insert a formula. Equal sign. So we shall just count, open brackets, just count the total number of trainings. Then we multiply, that is shift 8 on your keyboard. Then the duration in hours. You notice that it gives me a date because it's in the date format, but can convert this into a number. So basically these are 18 hours on this training induction. So if you notice, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times 3, you get 18. I can repeat it here. Equal sign, then you count. You count. Open brackets, then close your bracket, then you multiply by 1. Okay, it will convert this into, but we need it in a number. So far the social fair awareness is 6 hours. Then the rest you can just fill handle. Okay, so it will insert the hours for you, but you will notice that you had an error somewhere here. The reason why it is giving us a hash value is because the duration in hours is not yet also confirmed. So remember, we can also modify our formulas to skip out this. In the previous video I can modify this. For example, if I ask, is this an error? Because okay, so I close this and I press enter. It will tell me it's not an error. Then I insert a condition. I can copy the formula that calculates, then I insert a condition. If this is true, if it's an error, then let's leave it blank. If not, then you calculate and give me the actual value. So you can modify your formula to that. It still gives you 6, that even when you fill handle, you see, you'll notice that since this is an error, it will give us a what? It will leave it blank, but it has a formula. So for example, if one day we identify that this training is 2 hours, you get, it will give us a 0, you see. But since it's not, we cannot conclude that, it just leaves it blank. So basically that was today's video. we are calculating this, then I think we shall proceed as we continue to develop our TNA. We shall also have to analyze every training. We look at the percentages in terms of the trainings that have to be done and the trainings that have been done, that is mandatory and completed. Then we see the average, the percentage completion, or the ratio in terms of trainings. In that, then we shall be able to develop a report or a dashboard. Otherwise, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a comment and support the channel. Thank you so much.